Hello, welcome to Jeblan Shelters Limited. We are committed to high real estate solution, development, management, marketing, and consultancy with a focus on quality. We believe land ownership is not just a transaction, it is a foundation for the future.
It's in our heart to extend real estate service in Abuja and diaspora. Our mission is to provide superior properties, exceptional service, and innovative solutions. Think of real estate as the surest form of investment with high returns. The idea is to build excellence in the industry and paradigms of beauty.
Our vision is to establish world-class real estate and provide genuine and affordable landed properties in Abuja.
Visit our office today at Jeblan Shelter Limited, Suite AB3, Apple Sparklight Mall, opposite Living Faith Church, Jurumi, Abuja.
Let's help you take the next step towards ownership today. From all of us at Jeblan Shelters Limited.